Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Kroger MasterCard account on your computer online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, log into your Kroger MasterCard account from your computer. First, open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in Kroger MasterCard.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Kroger credit card login like this and hit enter, and you can see there is the Kroger MasterCard.com on the top of the result. Click over there, and both ways we will be landing on the same page from both ways. Since both of these pages are same, let's close one of these, and you can see on the top right corner of your screen there is the login button available over there. First click on login, and after that you'll be required to enter your username and your password over here with which you had registered on Kroger's account. And after that, after entering your username and your password, click on login. Then you'll be able to sign into your Kroger's credit card account over here. Or if you have getting some problem, click on get login help to resolve your problem regarding your username or your password from over here. Or if you have not yet signed up for a Kroger MasterCard, simply click on create a username and password. You'll be able to create an account on Kroger's, and this is how you log into your Kroger's credit card account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.